with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's amazing. Today we're going to show you can make yourself some lovely, nice, easy stir-fry cabbage. I did it before and we always continue to do stir-fry cabbage because it's one of my favorite dishes. So, teaspoon of olive oil or vegetable oil. This is olive oil. Piece of garlic. That's a piece of a garlic. And this is pepper, carrot, spring onion, and white onion. So I'll take this off about 2 seconds. Nice. So now this is finished, guys. 2 seconds now since the salt take that off. Quarter of a cabbage cut up very small. This is the way I cut up my cabbage, and this is just quarter I'm using. Not half, quarter of a cabbage. You can get cabbage at local shop, supermarket to buy. Simple. We're going to saute off this roughly about another 5 to 6 minutes. And then we will see where we are. A little bit of coarse pepper. I don't cook with salt. If you want to cook with salt, that's fine. You can put salt, alright? So lovely and nice. So we're going to put a little bit of green peas, frozen green peas, and a little bit of sweet corn. Might have said, boy, that chef, I love using veg thing, man. But I love my veg, guys. So I'm just simple. Give this another 2 more minutes. I love my veg. Nice and lovely. As you can see, this is finished, guys. It's amazing. Just amazing to know that you can do some things like this at home. You know what I mean? Stir fry veg, no salt, natural ingredients, and you know what I mean, a little bit of coarse pepper. But if you want to add some salt, guys, you can add some salt. But as you can see, that's looking lovely and nice. And it just takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Very quick and easy. Now we're gonna share it out. Alright? Let's share it out now, guys. Nice and lovely. I just shared it out inside of the bowl, as you can see, stir fried cabbage. And the recipe, you can use this for Christmas, guys. Christmas stir fry veg. Yes, good idea and good tips, guys. You can do this one for Christmas, put it on the table. You know what I mean? Most Jamaican and Christmas, they have their normal tradition dish, you know what I mean? So guys, hopefully you will love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. It's just a simple little recipe. I have the idea and I'm willing to share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We have a lot of recipe coming up for Christmas. These are just ideas and tips, guys, what you can do for your Christmas and what you can do in the future. So guys, thank you so much. Leave your comments if you think it's a nice recipe, and thank you so much. Hopefully we can do best and better in the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Program today. Today we want to show you guys that, you know what I mean, tell you a little bits and tips about Christmas. Christmas is coming up soon. Basically, I want to tell you something, guys. Remember, look out for the pot roast beef. We got lamb coming up, we got turkey, we got roast chicken, we got a lot of things coming up for this Christmas. If you have any idea, anything you want to share with Chef Ricardo, please share it with me. If you have anything you want to request for me to make for you, remember you can request it and I will definitely make it for you. I want to say thank you guys for all of you who support me and subscribe to the channel, giving me a lot of tips and ideas and things, and also your comments are just brilliant. So remember you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. And remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorrel. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.